how to add a new location on Google Maps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add new location on Google Maps so everyone can see it. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Google Maps app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the Google Maps, simply zoom in to the area where the place is located. And here, if you already see the location or address, you can simply tap on it and save it or simply add a label to it. But note that this only saves it for your account, not publicly. So here, if the location isn't on the map, then you can simply tap on the profile icon, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here in this section, you simply have to scroll down and tap on the option labeled Add Your Business. And now here on the next page, you simply have to enter the business name. And now here, once you have entered the business name, you simply have to select that business category and simply tap on next. And now here, with that, you simply have to tap on next again. And on the next page, you simply have to add that business address. And with that, you also have to add extra details as well, like opening hours, phone number, website. And these details can help Google to verify and display your location faster. And here, once everything looks correct, you simply have to tap on next and tap on submit. And Google will review your request and usually give you approval after a few days. And once you are done with it, your place will be appearing publicly on Google Maps. And that's it. Now you know how you can add a new location on Google Maps. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.